Hello learners, welcome back to the channel. So next in the HackerRank series, we have next question is write a function. So let's go ahead and learn about the problem. Here the problem statement is given. An extra day is added to the calendar almost every 4 years as February 29. And the day is called a leap day. It corrects the calendar for the fact that our planet takes approximately 365.25 days to orbit the sun. A leap year contains a leap day. In the uh, Gregorian calendar, three conditions are used to identify leap years. So the conditions are: first condition, the year can be evenly divided by 4 is a leap year. Now, the outer condition, the first condition is the year can be evenly divided by 4 is a leap year unless, now we have another condition, unless the year can be evenly divided by 100, it is not a leap year. Unless, now the another condition, unless the year is also evenly divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. Now these three conditions we need to address in our code. The task is, given a year, determine whether it is a leap year. If it is a leap year, return the boolean true. We have to, in the output, they want, if it is a leap year, we have to return true, otherwise return false. So we have to conclude these three conditions and as an input, and in output we want the boolean value true and false. Note that the code step provided reads from standard input output and passes arguments to the isLeap function. It is only necessary to complete the isLeap function. Okay, so there are, I think, isLeap, yes, isLeap function they have given, and then they are passing year, and then initially the leap variable they have taken, it is false, the initial, and then we have to return leap. So here we have to write our code which will decide whether the leap value will be false or true based on the condition. So let me show you its input format. So read year, the last two test, and then they have given the constraint 1900. Year should be greater than 1900 and less than 10 to the power 5, and now output format is boolean value. So suppose if the input is 1990, so the sample output should come false. Why? Because this is not divisible by 4 and this is not a leap year, right? So because 1990 is not a multiple of 4, hence it is not a leap year. So we have to understand these three conditions. Okay, so first is it should be evenly divisible by 4. Then next should be the year can be, if it is divisible by 100, it is not a leap year. So we have to give not divisible by 100, and also we have to give divisible by 400. So these three conditions we have to write. So let's come here and we have to write our logic here. So let's write. So variable is given, leap is equal to initially false. Now condition will start if year, because year is the parameter it is taking right now. So if year is what, first condition is divisible by 4. So what, how will write? Year divisible by 4 equal to 0. And then another condition, and not only the year should be divisible by 4, there are few more conditions, and year should not divisible by 100, right? So we'll write like this, equal to 0, or this or that. So if this is the condition, this or this, means year is divisible by 400 equal to 0, then what? Then we will make leap is equal to true, and then we'll return the leap. So that's it. We have concluded all the three conditions. Let's run the code. Yes. So our sample test case has passed. Now submit. Okay. So yes, it has successfully passed all the test cases, right? So this is the code only in one line. All the conditions came, and then we just had to change the leap is equal to true, and that's it. Now